Thinking of selling your home soon? Before you pour money into random upgrades, let's talk about what actually adds value to your home and what doesn't. First up, curb appeal. Your home's first impression matters more than you think. A fresh coat of paint, trimmed bushes, and a clean driveway can boost your home's perceived value right away. Next, the kitchen. You don't need a full remodel, but small updates like new hardware, updated light fixtures, or painting outdated cabinets can make a big difference without breaking the bank. Bathrooms are a close second. Think updated faucets, regrouted tiles, and brighter lighting. It's all about making it feel clean and fresh. And here's one many overlook: energy efficiency. Buyers love lower utility bills. Adding a smart thermostat, sealing windows, or upgrading insulation can actually be a smart investment. And don't underestimate the power of decluttering and staging. Removing excess furniture and personal items lets buyers imagine themselves in your space. It costs very little, but delivers huge impact. On the flip side, what doesn't really add value? Luxury upgrades like hot tubs or imported tile may look cool, but they rarely return what you put in. So if you're planning to sell, focus on smart, cost-effective updates. Want to know what improvements make sense for your home and market? Reach out. I'd love to help you strategize for a quicker sale and a better offer. Subscribe for more real estate tips.